What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Carl from Sovereign Citizen Chronicles. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, we're going to be in the courtroom of Judge Sean Perkins with the Sovereign Citizen. So let's get to it.
Lee Tooks, case number SP 178-60561. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield.
Right here.
Go ahead.
Daphne Bradfield
Yes.
on behalf of Mr. Lee Tooks. State your name for the record, sir.
Sherman Cedric Lee Tooks Jr.
Okay, so Ms. Bradfield, Mr. Lee Tooks Jr. was gonna get his own retained attorney. That's what he was there last time. We gave him time to do that. Unfortunately, he did not secure a retained attorney. Off the record, Mr. Lee Tooks indicated that he's moving for a dismissal based on the ROA reading that it says Sherman Cedric Lee Tooks Lee. That's on the ROA. I indicated to Mr. Lee Tooks that how that process works. The ticket gets submitted here to the city, to the court. A clerk downstairs manually enters the ticket into the system, and they enter into the system as Sherman Cedric Lee Tooks Lee. However, the ticket on its face that the officer wrote, I have a copy and we can provide that to Mr. Sherman. It reads Sherman Cedric Lee Tooks. So based on his reading of his name and the reading of the ticket is written correctly. So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield, Mr. Lee Tooks. If you have any other questions regarding that motion that you made or that you're proposing to make, then Ms. Bradfield should be able to answer those questions. Otherwise, Ms. Bradfield is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield.
Yeah, I didn't mean to interrupt you, Your Honor. I apologize. I didn't mean no harm. That's what I seen on my screen. So that's what it was.
It's not, you don't have to apologize. It's not about, I'm not, this is what I'm here for. You want to be making right. That's what you got. That's what your option is. This is your time to be heard. So what I'm going to do, send that to Ms. Bradfield. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. If you have any other issues related to it, then go over those issues with Ms. Bradfield. She's a very good lawyer. I'm sure she can handle pretty much anything criminal that you have. So talk to her and join the breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. You're welcome. Are we ready on Lee Tooks? Let's pass Lake. Let's pass Lake. Let's check on the record with Mr. Lee Tooks. What's going on, Ms. Bradfield?
I don't know what Mr. Lee Tooks want. He wants the discovery, but I told him he has a hired attorney or get court-appointed counsel if he can't afford one. He's saying that he don't want court-appointed attorney. So I don't know what we're gonna do. And I know he told you last court date he wanted a hired attorney, but he came back without one. So I don't know if he's going to do that again next court date. So Mr. Lee Tooks,
not going to do that again. We're going to set a trial date. He found out he couldn't afford it, I guess.
So I told him if he needed discovery.
What's the problem, sir? Problem.
Yes.
Mr. Lee Tooks, he's talking to you.
Hello.
What is the problem?
Man, I'm really trying to get a better understanding on how this thing work and what's going on. So I got to get my own attorney.
I'm not giving you extra time for that. I already gave you time for that.
You said what?
I already gave you a time for getting your own attorney. This is what you said last time, and I gave you ample amount of time to do so.
So,
So either set a trial date, take the appointed attorney that we can appoint for you, or do it on your own. I don't know what you want to do. I don't know how else I can help.
I gave him those options as well, but I did tell him if he needs discovery, he needs it before trial date. So that's why I gave him the option of getting a court-appointed attorney or representing himself as well.
So what are you gonna do? We have to get going. I've given you ample time today and the last couple of weeks to figure this out, and you're
because I thought it was gonna be dismissed, sir. I apologize. I thought it was gonna be dismissed.
I don't know how you thought it was gonna be dismissed when you asked for it, when you said you were gonna get an attorney last time. How is it just gonna be dismissed and you haven't even gotten an attorney to get into the case or anything? You just think you're gonna come back and it's gonna be dismissed? That makes no sense.
No, I thought it was gonna be dismissed the first time, sir. I apologize, Your Honor.
Well, I don't, Mr. Leeds, do you want us to appoint an attorney? If you don't answer, I'm just gonna set a trial date. You just come back on that trial date and deal with the ticket on that day.
All right, what date is that?
December the 15th, trial.
So how do I get the discovery?
And again, Mr. Lee Tooks, you can't ask for discovery the day of the trial. I told you that.
Oh yeah, you did say that. I forget. Yeah, I don't want to do that, man.
You have to go through the city attorney's office to get the discovery. And then they're gonna charge you for the discovery.
Man, that's
you should have got the lawyer. Back December the 15th. The officer might not show. Who knows? It may get dismissed like that. Who knows? But we're not gonna sit here and hold up everybody from going for you to sit here and take all this time from last month to today, and you've been hours today trying to decide or what you want to do. You came in late.
Yeah, I really don't know what to do, man.
Well, I'm gonna figure it out for you. Come back December the 15th, trial date, sir. 9 a.m. Don't be late.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna get my own lawyer, man. I'm gonna pay for my own lawyer.
I'm not your man.
Oh, excuse me, Your Honor.
All right, so bring it back December the 15th. Tell them the date is December the 15th is the trial date.
All right.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right, y'all. So that's the end of that proceeding. Mr. Lee Tooks looked like he's going to trial. Hopefully you have a paid attorney when he shows up, or at least have enough sense to use his court-appointed attorney. All right. Had somewhat of a back and forth with Judge Perkins, and kind of rubbed him the wrong way. But Judge Perkins, he seemed like he was pretty patient with him, but I guess he gave him enough time to get a lawyer, and he showed up without one, and he's saying he still needs to get one. So it is what it is. So I got the date written down. I would definitely bring you to follow up to this. Now we're going to be moving into another proceeding with Judge Sean Perkins. I felt like that proceeding was very short, so I said I would give you an oldie but a goodie. All right, so let's get to this other proceeding.
Are you driving, sir? Are you driving?
For me?
Mr. Glenn, Rondell Glenn?
Yeah, man, I'm sitting out in the sun, buddy. I'm trying to grab me something to eat.
All right, don't drive in court.
I'm not going to be driving, buddy, when I'm in court, all right? Just call me.
No, listen, I'm not your buddy, okay? First of all, but at the end of the day, if you're driving right now, you're not supposed to be driving, okay?
Okay, but how long am I going to be sitting here? I haven't spoke to no defense attorney.
I don't know how long you're going to be sitting there. You're waiting. If you came on time, you would have heard me. I said I'm going to try to get you out as fast as I can.
It's all good, man. Listen, it's all good.
Listen, don't cut me off. Are you driving your car right now?
I'm gonna park my car, but man, I can't be sitting out
I'm
in the
putting you
sun.
out,
You know
I'm
what I'm
putting you
saying?
out of the room.
Put me out of the room.
Yes, for driving in court. All right? Come back when you get in a safe location. Run, Mr. Rondell Bloom's license, please. City of Detroit versus Rondell Glenn. Case number SP 11-54208, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11-54212, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 14-82930, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 172-0494, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172-0600, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 172-0615, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 173-0688, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 173-0696-1. State of Michigan versus Rondell Glenn. Case number SX 3397163-1. SX 3630039, 1, SX 3639504, 1, 18443135, 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Rondell Glenn. Mr. Glenn, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Rondell Glenn.
Your Honor, I don't know how many tickets that was you just read off. I only have 3 on my docket.
Yeah, Mr. Glenn doesn't have any respect for the court. I see he's exhibited disrespect for the court, and he's
Wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. What you talking about?
You wait a minute. You wait a minute.
I'm going to the judicial tender commission.
You
That's
wait a
it.
minute.
I don't want you to remove yourself from my case, bro. I'm 58
there
years
he
old.
is. That's the
I don't know what it is about me and you, bro.
That's the disrespect.
Mr. Glenn, can you please be quiet for one? Mr. Glenn, as the attorney who's trying to help you, can you please be quiet for a moment? The first issue that you have is you should not be driving on Zoom. Park the car, please. You cannot drive on Zoom. This is the definition of distracted driving.
He should not be driving at all. He's already indicated to the court that he's driving when he was driving while in court. I asked Mr. Glenn that if he's driving, he said he's driving to go in to get something to eat, I believe. So now
Mr. Glenn wasn't driving. Somebody was driving for me. I'm with somebody. What do you mean? What do you mean, man?
I'm
I'm 58
Mr.
years old,
Glenn,
bro. Look,
Mr. Glenn, I'm
case,
trying to help you. Can you please just wait
a
a
all
minute?
these tickets from 20 years ago when it's only 3. You know what I'm saying?
Sir, stop, Mr. Glenn, stop, so I can help you. I'm trying my very best to help you. You got a chip on your shoulder, but it's not. Sir, give me a minute. I'm gonna try to take you in a breakout room and talk to you before you make your circumstance worse. Just be quiet until you get there, please.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Mr. Glenn, after you finish talking to him, I'm going to give him a pretrial date for tomorrow. Mr. Glenn has to come into court in person.
Fine. I'm going to the Judicial Tender Commission because you're very impartial. You're not about to try to embarrass me in court like that, man.
Glenn, stop,
Mr.
Glenn.
When we only got 3.
Just ask you to be quiet so I can help you.
I'm going to file a complaint today.
That's fine. You can do whatever you want, but
you're not about to try to embarrass me like that, be disrespectful to me, and think I'm gonna sit up and take that.
Mr. Glenn, Mr. Glenn.
And they come to court properly dressed. Don't come to court in a sleeveless shirt. Come to court properly dressed.
Your Honor, can I please have a moment to talk to Mr. Glenn? I muted you because you're not making it better. Just be quiet.
It doesn't matter what you say to him. He's going to take an anger management class too.
Your Honor, I'm going to move Mr. Glenn to another breakout room.
Very good.
Yeah, once you see Judge Perkins calm down and stop going tick for tack with you, that means you're done. That means basically he's just gonna throw the book at you, whatever it is. He's gonna, like you say, he's gonna make my man do anger management. He's gonna tell my man he got to come in person, and he's just gonna make it uncomfortable for you. So I don't even know why my man came out the gate talking about he's being disrespectful and everything like that. I don't see anywhere where Judge Perkins disrespected my man. He just pretty much told him, you need to pull over and stop driving in court. I feel bad for his attorney, but let's see how she's going to handle this.
He's the Motorola device.
Yes, move past the matter. Tell them to come to court properly dressed, Ms. Gates.
Mr. Glenn, you should have a prompt to go to breakout room 5. Go to breakout room 5. Look at your device, Mr. Glenn. You should have a prompt on your screen to go to breakout room 5. Just click OK. All right, Mr. Glenn, I'm gonna send you a different prompt. Just when you see the room number pop up, please just click OK. You're going to room 8.
All right, let's pass
Just
the matter.
click OK.
In person tomorrow, Miss. Let's
I
pass the
understand, Your
matter.
Honor.
Let's
You
go
want him
back
here
on.
at 9 a.m.?
No, 8:30.
Am I releasing him?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want to, but.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. It's not going too far.
He's coming in on Zoom or he's coming in on court.
Now I guess. You said what? This is what he wants to make himself.
I got his attention. He's aware that we're trying to pull him back into the breakout room. I'm about to send him a prompt. To the main session. I'm about to send him a prompt.
I'm trying to get him in the main. I close the rooms.
Okay.
Now, if he keeps it up, he'll find himself in contempt.
Your Honor, I'm trying to save him, but.
And I know it's probably going to be ordered as a transcript. So can y'all please talk at one time at a time?
Well, good luck. Good luck. You can get the video.
Sure.
All right. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn, let me say something to you, sir. Start your video, please.
I got it going. Get it straight now. Get it straight, bro. I simply wanted to come in and plead not guilty. But
So, Mr. Glenn, I asked you to stop talking to the judge like he's your friend or somebody on the street. You would not talk to another judge in a different jurisdiction like that. He's not your bro. He's Judge Perkins.
Now, let me stop. Let me stop right
I'm trying to help you, Mr. Glenn. You making it worse.
Stop, Ms. Gaten Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, let's get this understanding. First of all, I'm not your bro, okay? Yeah, I'm the judge, Mr. Perkins, but I'm not your bro, okay? Second,
I know you're not.
Yeah. No, I didn't ask you to speak. Don't talk while I'm talking. Secondly, if you continue to act out like you've been doing, I'm gonna have no choice but to hold you in contempt of court, okay? And I don't want to do that. I'm trying to exercise the utmost restraint with you. Now, third, I called those cases into the record to be as a matter of judicial economy. I don't know when you got those tickets. I don't care when you got those tickets. I try to do that for the benefit of you, so you don't have to keep coming back to court multiple times, and you don't have these warrants sitting out here on you, okay? That's why I called those cases into the record. That's my choice to do that, and I called the cases into the record for the court and for your benefit, so you don't have to keep coming back to court, okay? So
I appreciate that.
I'm gonna let you speak. Let me finish. You're gonna come into court in person tomorrow at 8:30. I want you properly dressed. You can say what you want to do what you want to say. If you don't appear, then a lot of people don't show up. That's what the court has to say. Now, you want to talk? Go ahead and speak.
Okay. So I'm sorry about calling you bro. Okay. But I didn't think that you would get impartial and start, you were supposed to be here early. I'm 58 years old. Okay. So I'm kind of tech challenged. But I called down and I got in. Okay. I was late, but I got in. But it's just the way you was talking to me, you know, that had me like, damn, you know, like, I don't really want to go in front of this guy here, man. You know, plus I know Todd. So that's another reason why. Okay. So I was just asking if you could just recruit yourself. Then I found out some other stuff that's something, you know, that's going on. Some news is going on right now. I don't want to be a part of that. I just want to go to another courtroom. If we could do it like that, then we good. Then I don't have to go down to the Judicial Tenure Commission, file a 3-page report. You know what I'm saying? Just recruit me from your courtroom. That's all I'm asking you.
So, Mr.
On
Glenn,
the grounds of
Let me-
maybe not
let me-
because
let
I
me
don't think
finish,
you're
let me
impartial, but
finish. Let me finish. Let him go ahead and finish.
okay. You know, maybe not because you were being, I felt you were being impartial, but let's not say that. But I do know Todd personally. Been knowing Todd for a long time. So that's another issue. Not the other issue about what's going on with you now, but just, I'm just asking the court, please, just recruit yourself or let, you know, just send me to
Okay.
another judge and I appreciate it.
All right, let me, I'm not gonna send you to another judge. I want you to come down tomorrow morning at 8:30. I accept your apology about the bro situation. I didn't hold you being late against you, because I did let you in the room. As long as I'm sitting here, I question why people are late. I understand now why you're late. You told me you're not as tech savvy as other people, and that was it. You also were driving in court. You admitted to that. You have a
No, so
suspended
let's
license.
clear that up. Listen, I have
No,
a
no,
business
it's
and
cleared
my
up. It's
driver's
cleared up in the court's eyes. It's cleared up in the court's eyes. It's all being recorded. It's on transcript. You admitted to that. Okay, so
let's say, you can say whatever
no,
you want. Okay,
listen,
so
I let you speak. I let you
Go ahead.
speak, and I'm speaking. I said, do not interrupt the court. All right. So this is it. We're not gonna keep going back and forth. I'm gonna let you go about your day, but come down tomorrow morning in person. And you can go to the Judicial Tenure Commission.
Your Honor.
That is your full right. You can go to the chief judge, but I'm not gonna sit here and have you yelling at my staff or anything, okay?
Your
and
Honor,
listen, I'm not a
Mr. Glenn, please give me one moment. Please, I've been begging you since the beginning of our interaction. I'm trying to help you. Just be quiet just
I
for a
should have
minute,
brought my boy
please.
Blake in here. I wouldn't have all
Okay,
this.
so one moment, Your Honor. I explained to Mr. Glenn that he does have to be at court tomorrow morning at 8:30. I did also indicate to him that it's his absolute right to retain an attorney. If he is not able to retain an attorney, then he can ask for an appointed attorney tomorrow. Because he is here for misdemeanor matters, he is entitled to counsel. If he wants to pay his own counsel or ask for counsel tomorrow, that is his right. But I'm making it clear that Mr. Glenn is aware of his right to have counsel tomorrow at court.
All right.
If Mr. Glenn come to court, he's coming with all the news coverage. Okay, so we just want to make sure
No
everything is
problem.
good.
We'll see
Like
you
I
in the
said,
morning at 8:30. Make sure you look good
another
for the
attorney.
news.
I want
Put
another
your good
judge,
suit on.
and I make with another attorney. Okay.
One at a time, court
Put your
reporters.
good suit on. We don't care about you coming with the media. Look good for
I
the
know you
media.
don't
Put your
care. That's
suit
why I
on.
don't want you.
And bring.
You know what? As a matter of fact,
I'm
you're
not-
on ineffective counsel too. So I'm
Okay.
good. We're gonna reschedule that.
Have a
I'll tell
wonderful
you what
day,
we do.
sir.
Let's handle it like this.
Stop it, Miss.
Have a
Don't
wonderful
say
day.
anymore, Miss. Don't say anymore, Miss Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, that's it, okay? I'll let you make your record. Come on down tomorrow morning, all right? You're muted. You're muted now. Unmute him, please. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. All right,
Let me
Mr.
do what I gotta do. Okay. Yeah. All right. Bye bye.
Best of luck to you, sir.
Yeah. Take care.
All right.
All right, y'all. So that's the end of that proceeding. I just want to thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload more Sovereign Citizen and court videos like this one. This is Carl from Sovereign Citizen Chronicles. I catch you on the next proceeding. God bless. Peace.